Ever wonder how the best decisions are made in business, education, or even in your personal life? The secret might lie in the 6 thinking hats. The 6 thinking hats method, developed by Edward de Bono, is a powerful tool that has revolutionized decision-making and problem-solving in various fields. This method uses 6 metaphorical hats, each representing a different kind of thinking, to facilitate a more structured and comprehensive approach to group discussions and individual reflection. Each hat serves a unique purpose. The white hat focuses on data and facts. The red hat brings emotions and intuitions into play. The black hat encourages critical thinking and identifies potential problems. The yellow hat highlights the power of optimism and benefits in thinking. The green hat sparks creativity and new ideas, while the blue hat manages and controls the thinking process. By the end of this video, you'll understand how these hats can transform your decision-making process. Now let's dive into each of these 6 hats, shall we? First off, we have the white hat. This hat represents data and facts. When you put on the white hat, you're focusing purely on the information at hand. You're not concerned with interpretations or opinions, just cold, hard facts. For example, in a business setting, the white hat might involve analyzing sales data, market research, or customer feedback. It's all about providing the group with a solid foundation of objective information to base their decisions on. Next up is the red hat. This is the hat of emotions and intuitions. With the red hat on, you're encouraged to express your feelings and gut reactions without the need for justification. If a proposed solution makes you feel uneasy, the red hat gives you the space to voice that concern. It's crucial in highlighting the emotional impacts of decisions, which can often be overlooked in more data-driven discussions. The third hat in our lineup is the black hat. This is your critical thinking and caution hat. It's all about identifying potential problems, flaws, and risks. When wearing the black hat, you might play the devil's advocate, question assumptions, or point out potential downsides. For instance, in a project planning session, the black hat might raise concerns about timelines, budgets, or resource allocation. Then we have the yellow hat, the hat of optimism and benefits. This hat encourages you to think positively, to explore the benefits and value in ideas. It's about seeing the glass half full, not half empty. The yellow hat might look at how a new product could open up a new market segment or how a policy change could improve employee morale. The fifth hat is the green hat, the hat of creativity and new ideas. This is your chance to think outside the box, to brainstorm and suggest new solutions. The green hat is not concerned with feasibility or constraints. It's all about innovation and possibility. For example, the green hat might propose a revolutionary product design or a novel marketing strategy. Finally, we have the blue hat. This hat is responsible for managing and controlling the thinking process. It's the meta hat, if you will. The blue hat sets the agenda, ensures the rules are followed, and steers the conversation. It might decide when to switch hats, summarize the discussion so far, or refocus the group if they're going off track. As you can see, each hat serves a unique purpose, allowing for a more comprehensive and effective approach to decision-making. The beauty of the 6 thinking hats is that it gives space to all these different aspects of thinking, from cold, hard facts to gut feelings, from cautious scrutiny to optimistic exploration, from wild creativity to disciplined control. By structuring our thinking in this way, we can make sure all bases are covered, all perspectives are considered, and all voices are heard. So, that's the lowdown on the 6 thinking hats. Each hat plays a vital role in the decision-making process, and together they form a powerful tool for group discussions and problem-solving. Whether you're a business leader, a teacher, a student, or just someone looking to improve their decision-making skills, the 6 thinking hats offer a structured and balanced approach to thinking that can help you make better, more informed decisions. In our upcoming scenes, we'll be diving deeper into how to facilitate a 6 thinking hats session, how this thinking tool is used in real-world applications, and the power it holds in enhancing group decision-making. But for now, let's take a moment to reflect on the unique purpose each hat serves in our decision-making process. As you can see, Each hat serves a unique purpose, allowing for a more comprehensive and effective approach to decision-making. So, how would you go about facilitating a six thinking hats session, you might wonder? Well, it's all about orchestrating a structured conversation. First, set the stage and explain how the six thinking hats work. Make sure everyone understands the purpose and function of each hat. Then, introduce the topic or decision to be discussed. Next, guide your team through the process of wearing each hat in turn. Start with the white hat to gather data and facts. Then, switch to the red hat to explore emotions and intuitions. The black hat will allow you to critically examine potential problems, while the yellow hat encourages optimism and benefits thinking. The green hat sparks creativity and new ideas. And finally, the blue hat manages and controls the thinking process. Remember, it's important to ensure that all hats are used effectively. Each person should have the opportunity to express their thoughts under each hat. With these tips, you're now equipped to facilitate a successful six thinking hats session. But where and when can we use the six thinking hats, you might ask? Let's dive into some practical applications. In the business world, the six thinking hats technique is a game changer. Imagine a corporate meeting. The team is facing a complex project with numerous uncertain factors. By utilizing the six hats, they can systematically analyze the project from all angles. The white hat brings forth the necessary data and facts. The red hat acknowledges emotions and intuitions. The black hat identifies potential problems. The yellow hat shines a light on the benefits and positive outcomes. The green hat encourages creative problem solving, and the blue hat manages the entire process. This method ensures a comprehensive approach to decision-making, enhancing efficiency and reducing the risk of oversight. In the realm of education, the six hats stimulate critical thinking skills. Teachers can engage students in a discussion on a particular topic, assigning different hats to different students or groups. This not only encourages diverse perspectives, but also fosters empathy as students understand and appreciate viewpoints that may differ from their own. In personal decision-making, the six hats can be a lifesaver. Let's say you're deciding whether to move to a new city for a job opportunity. You can wear each hat in turn, analyzing your situation from various aspects: factual, emotional, critical, optimistic, creative, and managerial. This holistic approach can help you make more balanced and informed decisions. But what about other contexts and industries? Well, the beauty of the six hats method is its adaptability. Whether you're in healthcare, technology, arts, or even sports, you can tailor the six thinking hats to your unique needs. For instance, a tech startup might focus more on the green hat for innovative solutions, while a hospital team might emphasize the white and black hats for evidence-based decisions and risk management. As you can see, the six thinking hats method is incredibly versatile, making it a valuable tool for any decision-making situation. So, what makes the six thinking hats such a powerful tool? To answer that, let's take a moment to remember the different hats we've discussed. The white hat, with its focus on facts and data, and the red hat, which values emotions and intuitions. The black hat, critical and alert to potential problems, and the yellow hat, optimistic and always seeing the benefits. Then there's the green hat, sparking creativity and new ideas, and the blue hat, managing the whole thinking process. Each hat represents a different perspective, a different way of thinking. And by consciously changing hats, we can explore a problem or decision from all angles. This not only enhances our decision-making abilities, but also our problem-solving skills. It encourages us to think more deeply, more critically, and more creatively. And the best part? It's a method anyone can learn and apply. With the six thinking hats, you have a powerful tool at your disposal to make better, more informed decisions. So why not give it a try?